What's up, guys? This is Rich down at Mr. Gun's Firearms in Cave Creek, Arizona. And I got a special package yesterday. It was a mystery package. I didn't know who it was from, so I actually had to reach out to the people on the label to find out just exactly who it was for. So after a couple of phone calls, I ended up with this guy named Matt. And Matt is the VP for Ambient Arms. Now, if you're familiar with Garand Thumb and you watch a little bit of YouTube, you'll know that Garand Thumb just recently did a video on the Ambient Arms products because they are suppressors and you can perform, we'll say, multiple rounds or mag dumps and touch these things immediately afterwards. And if you know anything about suppressors and 5.56 platform and mag dumps, let me tell you this. The suppressors will usually get to a temperature where they will just literally melt right through things. I mean, it turns your gun into a lightsaber, literally. I have put them down on black and yellows from Home Depot, and they go right through them. I put them down on a buddy's backpack, and it went right through it, etc., etc. So if you shoot your 5.56 platform gun, your PDW, or your recce rifle, and you have a suppressor on it, you better be really careful what you touch it to after the fact. So, that being said, here it is. One of them. This is the 5.56 NATO. This is the big can. And in here, the packaging is fantastic. Here is the 22 variant and the titanium variant. And these came in for a special VIP that I deal with, who at some point you guys will become familiar with. But these cans are phenomenal. The price now is, honestly, it's, for all of these suppressors, it's easier to swallow because of the lack of having to get a tax stamp. So we are right now in the process of getting in a dealer network with these guys. We're sending the shivs out all over the place. I send one to Florida. I took another one home. I posted up some pictures of a Shadow Systems MR920 FDE package with the FDE shiv on it. And I posted that up on my Instagram. So if you want more information, the technology for suppressors is where it needs to be. I don't know how much more exotic materials, honestly, that you could use, but titanium is totally where it's at, and 3D sinter printed titanium is where it's at. And as long as these guys keep nerding out with the metallurgists, I mean, we are in for some serious... I just don't know. It's compared to the suppressors of old, it's not even in the same ballpark. It's not even, nobody needs QD anything. DT your can, get one of these, put it on your PDW, put it on your recce rifle, put it on your Mark 12, and send it. This is Rich down at Mr. Gun's Firearms, at bad_shooters on YouTube. My Instagram page is MRGUNZ_AZ on the gram. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. We'll have more videos for you soon.